Today I'm going to be checking out this compressed air piping system. I'm going to be using this with my air compressor to run compressed air all around the shop. Now I was sent this at no cost so I could do the review. Let's get it out of the box and see everything it comes with. All right, so this is what was in the packaging. It comes with 200 feet. This one came with the black piping. I think they have black and blue. You can choose which one. This one has the black. It came with quite a few T's, an elbow, then some compression fittings. All of these here are compression fittings, so that's cool. You just push the pipe on the end, twist that nut down real tight, and it compresses that on there to hold and clamp it in. So that makes it really easy to just push and set this up. Comes with some end caps, like 5 valves there. Comes with a bunch of these little connectors. These are what I'm gonna be putting on the walls to hold this pipe straight. A cutter. This is a deburr tool, like a tool to clean the ends of the pipes when you cut it. A manual, and then these little manifolds that have, different connectors on each one of those. This looks like it's gonna have everything I need to at least get this started. I'm gonna be running this with my compressor here. What I wanna be able to do is run it up the wall, and then every door, like over here, I wanna be able to have a hose reel, and then over there, I want to have a hose reel, and I want to be able to just basically run this all throughout the building, maybe even outside to the extension that we have, put a hose reel out there. So 200 feet of piping is really going to work out for me well, and it looks like this kit, like I said, comes with pretty much everything I'm going to need. I'm going to get this plastic off and let you see the thickness of this pipe. So here's a little bit of close-up on the piping, and what I'm finding out about this, I didn't actually know this. I thought it was just going to be like a regular plastic piping, but there is a layer of metal in there, and what that allows you to do is shape this. So I really thought I was going to have to pull this whole thing out into the sun and let the sun kind of heat it up and make it all nice and straight. No, I just bent this a little bit, and as you can see, it's sticking straight up. If I came in and I really worked it back, I could work it back into, this rounded shape that it was in. So very cool. I'm really excited about that because that makes hanging this stuff using these little clamps over here, that makes it so much easier. So very cool. Yeah, when I get this set, if I needed more, I totally would get another one of these. I hope this information was helpful. Thank y'all very much for watching. Take care.